Hi guys, this is Abhi from Gokcedb. In this video, we are going to learn 7 ways to use the counter class from the collections module in Python. Number 1, counter is a dict subclass for counting hashable items. It's available from the collections module and it accepts an iterable object such as a list, string, or a tuple. The counter class returns a dictionary of unique elements as keys and their counts as values. In this example, I'm printing the counts of all unique elements in list 1. Number 2, counter class also works with a tuple. Here I'm printing the counts of all unique elements in tuple 2. Number 3, you can also use counter to get the counts of all the letters in a string. Number 4, to get the sum of all the counts, use the total method. Number 5, use the most underscore common method to get one or more of the most common elements. In this example, I'm first printing the most common element followed by the count of the most common element by using the 0 and 1 index. Number 6, you can also reassign counts. Here I'm reassigning the count of the letter A to 0. Last but not the least, number 7, you can perform arithmetic operations between two counter objects such as add, subtract, intersect, and union. Note when you subtract two counter objects, only the positive counts will be returned. When you perform an intersect between two counter objects, all positive minimum counts will be returned. Similarly, when you do a union, all positive maximum counts will be returned. There you have it. Make sure you like, subscribe, and turn on the notification bell. Until next time.